How do you get rich quick? Ever wonder why some people achieve financial freedom while others are stuck living paycheck to paycheck? Are you resigned to the standard life script, working for 40 long years to retire and only then start enjoying the fruits of your labor when your energy and time are running low? If these questions resonate with you, then buckle up. This is where your financial revolution begins. It all comes down to two paths: the slow lane and the fast lane, as described in M.J. DeMarco's book, The Millionaire Fastlane. It flips the script on traditional views of wealth creation. He boldly challenges the slow lane approach, a lifetime of hard work with little reward and an insecure retirement in an uncertain economy. Instead, he presents a daring and dynamic roadmap to riches: the fast lane. The fast lane isn't just about making money quickly. It's a radical shift in perspective that puts you in the driver's seat of your financial journey. It's about leveraging your true potential to create wealth and achieve financial independence now, not in the distant future. Today, we will unpack the groundbreaking fast lane philosophy, which offers you a tangible plan to wealth creation. We'll shatter some myths about wealth, explore the money tree that grows in your backyard, and ignite the mindset change needed to steer you onto the fast lane. Let's start our journey by understanding the status quo, what M.J. DeMarco terms the slow lane. This is the well-trodden path, the financial roadmap most of us are taught from an early age. In the slow lane, the philosophy is straightforward. Pursue higher education, secure a well-paying job, consistently save a chunk of your earnings, invest in a diversified portfolio, and if all goes well, after decades of hard work, you'll be able to retire comfortably. Sounds familiar, doesn't it? There's an inherent sense of safety and predictability in the slow lane. After all, it's a clear-cut path, with societal approval and a sense of guaranteed stability. But here's where we need to hit the brakes and assess. Does the slow lane truly lead to the wealth and financial freedom we aspire for? There's no denying that the slow lane approach can accumulate wealth, but the glaring caveat is time. It's a long, drawn-out process, demanding years of your life, and by the time you've amassed enough wealth to enjoy it, you're nearing retirement. Essentially, the slow lane asks you to exchange the most productive years of your life for a promise of wealth in the future. The slow lane also renders you vulnerable to variables outside your control: market fluctuations, inflation, job security, economic recessions. One unexpected twist, and your carefully laid plans may veer off track. Therefore, while the slow lane might seem like the safe bet, it's a path riddled with constraints and uncertainties. The question we need to ask ourselves is, are we content toiling away our prime years for a shot at financial comfort in our sunset years? Or do we dare to explore an alternate route to wealth? A route that promises not just wealth, but financial freedom within our prime years, enabling us to live life on our own terms. That is the allure of the fast lane. This is where the traditional script is torn apart and the unconventional, exhilarating journey to wealth creation begins. In The Millionaire Fastlane, M.J. DeMarco doesn't merely introduce the concept of the fast lane. He throws down the gauntlet and invites us to step out of our comfort zones, to dare to desire wealth, and to want it sooner rather than later. The fast lane is a vastly different highway from its slow counterpart. It's less about steady employment and more about financial independence. Less about cautious saving and more about intelligent investing. Less about relying on others for your financial future and more about taking control. Intriguing? Absolutely. At the heart of the fast lane approach lies a singular truth. The control and command over your wealth creation is in your hands. The fast lane is not about getting rich quickly at the cost of sustainability. It's about getting rich faster by optimizing opportunities, maximizing the value you create, and minimizing the reliance on factors outside your control. Understand this: the fast lane is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a get-rich-smarter strategy. It's about understanding the fundamental principles of wealth creation and applying them intelligently to speed up your journey to financial freedom. The fast lane philosophy encourages us to harness the power of scalable business models and passive income sources. It presents an opportunity to cultivate and control our wealth-generating assets, rather than entrusting our future to an employer or volatile market conditions. In the fast lane, wealth isn't an eventual retirement reward, it's an accessible reality in the prime of your life, providing the freedom to live life on your own terms. The fast lane is not for everyone. It requires an adventurous spirit, an unconventional mindset, and a willingness to go against the norm. But for those who are willing to embrace the challenge, the fast lane isn't just a road to wealth. It's a highway to financial independence and life-changing freedom. So, are you ready to rev up your engines and shift into the fast lane? Before we continue, let me introduce you to a unique platform that will enrich your journey towards financial freedom, the Vibo Mastermind. Have you ever felt the desire to surround yourself with individuals who share your passion for success? Are you looking for a space where you can connect with fellow entrepreneurs, share insights, and collaboratively learn? If so, the Vibo Mastermind is where you need to be. The Vibo Mastermind isn't just a community. It's an exclusive VIP club of motivated individuals committed to becoming the best versions of themselves. This private group is a haven for those passionate about business and entrepreneurship, money-making strategies, investing in stocks and crypto, exploring the possibilities of AI, personal development, and mastering the mindset for success. This isn't a traditional mastermind. There's no prescribed content, no rigid webinar schedule. Instead, it's a vibrant, dynamic Discord channel where you can engage directly with me and other entrepreneurs. It's a space for open discussion, shared learning, and mutual growth. What sets the Vibo Mastermind apart is the ethos that binds its members, an unwavering commitment to success, and an unquenchable thirst for knowledge. Here, you'll find the camaraderie and collective wisdom that makes the path to success less daunting and a whole lot more inspiring. So, if you're tired of navigating your journey to success solo and are ready to join a circle of winners, consider this your personal invitation to the Vibo Mastermind. Sign up today and step into a world where success is not just an aspiration, but a shared commitment. You can find the link to the Mastermind in the description below. Now, back to the Millionaire Fast Lane. Once you've decided to hit the fast lane, you need to familiarize yourself with the fast lane's unique wealth equation. Unlike the slow lane, where wealth equals money multiplied by time, in the fast lane, wealth equals net profit plus asset value. Here's the beauty of it. This equation isn't bound by time or the traditional ceilings of a 9-to-5 job. Instead, it relies on the power of multiplication rather than addition, amplifying your wealth-building potential. Let's break it down further. In the fast lane, your net profit is the cash your business or investment generates after all the expenses are accounted for. This can then be reinvested into growing your business, further enhancing the asset value of the business. The asset value is the price someone is willing to pay for your business or investment if you decide to sell it. The multiplier effect inherent in the fast lane wealth equation allows you to build wealth exponentially, not linearly. For example, if your business creates a unique product that sells globally, your net profit and the value of your business can multiply rapidly as your product gains popularity. This is a stark contrast to the slow lane, where your income is tethered to the hours you work and the annual increments you receive. This equation might seem intimidating at first, especially if you're transitioning from a traditional job. But remember, the fast lane is about seizing control of your financial destiny. You're no longer reliant on an employer or the whims of the job market. You are the driver, and the route to wealth creation is in your hands. Next, we'll delve into the mindset that fuels the fast lane, explore scalable business models, and shed light on how you can leverage opportunities to create passive income sources. While the slow lane mentality is largely passive, accepting financial circumstances as they come, the fast lane mindset is proactive, constantly seeking to control and manipulate the financial trajectory to one's advantage. This is the mindset that fuels successful entrepreneurs and innovators. They see the world not as it is, but as it could be. They don't wait for opportunities, they create them. They don't merely respond to changes, they're the agents of change. The fast lane mindset is, in essence, an attitude of empowerment. It's about taking responsibility for your financial future and actively shaping it to suit your dreams and aspirations. It's crucial to remember that this mindset isn't about reckless risk-taking. Instead, it's about informed, calculated decisions that maximize rewards and minimize risks. It's about constant learning, adaptation, and evolution to stay ahead of the curve. Embracing the Fastlane mindset is the first step towards financial independence. But a mindset alone, no matter how strong, needs a robust vehicle to drive on the Fastlane. That vehicle is your business model. The Fastlane approach emphasizes scalable and replicable business models. It's about creating systems that can serve hundreds, thousands, or even millions of people. It's not about trading hours for dollars, but creating value that can be leveraged over and over again. The key here is to understand the concept of scale. A scalable business model allows you to serve an increasing number of customers without a proportional increase in resources or costs. For example, a software company can sell thousands of copies of its software without significant additional cost, making its business model highly scalable. The replicable business model, on the other hand, is about creating a business that can be easily replicated across different markets or regions, ensuring a broader reach and more significant impact. Think of how franchises work, a replicable business model that can be duplicated in different locations, serving a multitude of customers. Once you've established a scalable and replicable business model, the next Fastlane concept is creating passive income sources. The goal here is to break free from the chains of active income, where you're trading your time for money, and instead, create income streams that continue to generate revenue even when you're not actively working. This can be achieved through various strategies, from creating a high-demand product that sells round the clock, investing in real estate that provides regular rental income, or building a high-traffic blog that earns advertising revenue. The focus is on building assets that work for you, even when you're not working. In essence, the Fastlane approach is about liberating yourself from the constraints of time and the limitations of active income. It's about architecting a life where you're not just surviving, but truly thriving, financially and personally. All right, we're nearing the end of our journey today. The Fastlane, as you've seen, is not just about getting rich quickly, but about creating wealth in a smarter, more efficient manner. It's about understanding that time is our most precious asset, and we must use it wisely to create lasting, impactful wealth. But as we mentioned earlier, the Fastlane isn't for everyone. It requires courage, determination, and a commitment to break from the norm. It involves risk, but with the right mindset and strategies, those risks can lead to immense rewards. Remember, the Fastlane is about more than just money. It's about freedom. Freedom to live life on your own terms. Freedom to enjoy the fruits of your labor now, not in some distant future. Freedom to take control of your financial destiny. The Fastlane isn't a shortcut or an easy path. It's a different path. It requires hard work, strategic planning, and above all, a strong belief in yourself and your ability to create wealth. But if you're ready to take the leap, the rewards can be life-changing. Not only will you achieve financial independence, but you'll also gain the satisfaction of knowing that you took control of your financial future. Before we wrap up, don't forget to consider joining the Vibo Mastermind. This exclusive community is designed to support your journey on the Fastlane, offering valuable insights, discussions, and the camaraderie of like-minded individuals all pursuing financial freedom. The link's in the description below. Remember, the journey to wealth doesn't have to be a slow, painstaking process. With the right mindset, strategies, and determination, you can hop on the Fastlane and speed up your journey to financial independence. So keep pushing for success and let the Fastlane principles guide you towards the life of abundance you deserve. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vibo for more content to help you on your journey to financial freedom. See you in the next video.